Learn English every day.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Nora.
And I'm Jack. Today is Lesson 1 of English Conversation for Beginners. If you want to start speaking right now, this lesson is for you.
We will keep it simple. Short lines, clear rhythm, real situations. Listen, repeat, and smile. Speaking starts today.
Here's how this lesson works. We use our copy, shadow, swap, say method. Copy the line, shadow the rhythm, swap one word, say your own idea.
Let's begin with Conversation 1, greetings and names. Copy us, then try your own.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name?
Hi, Jack. I'm Nora. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Your turn. Say the first two lines out loud. Hi, I'm... What's your name? Hi, I'm... Nice to meet you.
Great. Now swap a word. Hello, I'm... Good morning. I'm...
Now say, Hi, I'm... Nice to meet you.
Speak with a smile. Your voice will sound friendly.
Conversation 2. Meet and small talk. Listen first, then copy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live 2 streets away.
Your turn. Where are you from? I'm from... And you? I'm from... Do you live nearby?
Swap one word. Do you work nearby? Do you study nearby? Now say your own. I'm from... I live in... Nice to meet you.
Conversation 3. Café ordering. These lines are classic and very useful.
Hello, can I get a small latte, please?
For here or to go.
For here, please.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Your turn. Say the customer lines. Can I get a small latte, please? For here, please. That's all. Thank you.
Swap one word. Can I get a tea? Can I get water? Can I get a sandwich? If you want to sound more polite, use I'd like. I'd like a tea, please. I'd like a sandwich, please.
Conversation 4. Ask for help. Directions. Use excuse me to start.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Which bus goes to the museum?
Bus 12. It stops over there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your turn. Excuse me. Can you help me? Which bus goes to the...
Swap. Excuse me, where is the station? Excuse me, how do I get to the park?
Conversation 5. Phone appointment. Keep it slow and clear.
Hello, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
What day works for you?
Tuesday morning, if possible.
10 a.m.?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Your turn. Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Tuesday morning, if possible.
Let's add rhythm and intonation, the music of English. Copy our sound exactly.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Can I sit here?
Repeat with us 3 times. How's it going? Nice to meet you. Can I sit here?
Now, the 2-beat speaking trick. 2 short beats per sentence. It makes your speech clear and confident.
I wake up. I practice. I improve.
Your turn. I study. I speak. I smile.
Again, a little faster. I wake up. I practice. I improve.
And you, I study. I speak. I smile.
Good. That is clear speaking. Now, survival phrases. Words that save your conversation when you forget a word.
Sorry, one more time, please.
A bit slower, please.
How do you say this in English?
What's the word for this?
This one, please.
That one, please.
Repeat each line after us.
Great. With these lines, you never have to stop speaking.
Let's practice reactions. These small words make you friendly and natural.
Really? Nice. That's great. I see.
Copy the feeling. Really? Nice. That's great. I see.
Now, a quick full role play combining many lines. Listen first. Hi, I'm Nora. What's your name?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you live nearby?
Yes, close by. Hey, do you want a coffee?
Sure. Can I get a tea, please?
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Your turn. Say Nora's lines. Hi, I'm... What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from... Do you live nearby? Sure. Can I get a tea, please? For here or to go?
Excellent. Now Jack's lines. I'm blank. Nice to meet you. I'm from blank. And you? Yes, close by. Hey, do you want a coffee? For here or to go?
Great job! Let's learn a 5-minute daily routine you can do at home.
Minute 1, warm up. Say the alphabet and numbers with rhythm. Then 5 reaction words. Really? Nice. That's great. I see. No way.
Minutes 2 to 3, shadow and swap. Choose 2 lines from this lesson. Copy them. Change 1 word each time.
Minute 4, 2-beat story. Say 6 short sentences about your day. I wake up. I study. I walk. I work. I eat. I sleep.
Minute 5, record 1 minute on your phone. Listen once, say it again more clearly.
That's it. 5 minutes can change your speaking fast.
Let's add 2 more mini conversations to round off lesson 1. At the shop. Hello, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you need?
Medium, please. How much is it?
$15.
I'll take it. Card, please.
You can tap here. Thanks.
Your turn. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Medium, please. How much is it? I'll take it. Card, please.
On the street.
Excuse me, where is the station?
Go straight and turn left at the light.
Is it far?
10 minutes on foot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your turn. Excuse me, where is the station? Is it far? Thank you so much.
Nice work. You just learned real conversations for daily life.
Before we finish, say this promise with us. I will speak a little every day. I will enjoy the process. I will keep going.
Say it again. I will speak a little every day. I will enjoy the process. I will keep going.
Beautiful. You're building a speaking habit.
Practice challenge time. Write 2 lines from this lesson in the comments and 1 2-beat sentence about your day.
Want more practice? Replay this lesson and shadow 3 dialogues. Then watch lesson 2 when it drops.
Subscribe to the Mr. English podcast so you never miss your weekly practice.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye for now.